Let's see how we can count cells that contain text in Microsoft Excel. I have an example right here with a column that contains some data, and if we look closer, we have a bunch of different types of data in here. We have some text values, we have a few errors, we have some dates, we have some numbers, we have some currency formats, and we would like to see how many cells contain only text in here. So basically what we would like to do is we would like to count only the names that you see in here. So only these 4 names that we have currently. And to do that, we can use the COUNTIF formula, and we can take advantage of something that is called a wildcard in Excel. So a wildcard is nothing but a special character that lets you perform different matching operations on text in Excel formulas. So let's see how we can use it. I'm going to go to the formula bar and type COUNTIF. I'm going to select the range from A1 to A15. And next, for the criteria, I'm going to use a wildcard in here. And the wildcard that I'm going to use is called an asterisk. It's the star character on your keyboard. You have to press it. And when we close the formula bar and we hit enter, you can see that this worked, and Excel has counted only the values that contain text. And to test this even further, let's remove some values from here. You can see that the formula works correctly. If we add some text values back, you can see that it updates, and that's how you do it. This is how you count cells that contain only text. You have to use a COUNTIF, and you have to select this asterisk wildcard from Excel that matches 0 or more characters. That's it. This is how you do it. If this video was useful to you, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.